In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up recurring tasks in project boards. If you've been looking for a simple and efficient way to automate your workflow and keep tasks organized, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to set recurring tasks so you never miss a deadline again. Stick with me to see how this can save you a ton of time. First off, let's get into why recurring tasks are a game changer. Whether you're managing a team or handling personal projects, having the ability to automate tasks to repeat on a set schedule means you won't have to manually create them every time. This saves you a ton of repetitive effort. Now, let's dive into the setup. The first step is to pick the software you're using for your project boards. For this tutorial, we'll be using a popular project management tool, and I'll show you exactly where to find the recurring task feature. If you want to follow along with the same software, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below for viewers of this channel. This will give you access to all the features I'm using in this video. Now, let's create a recurring task. Once you're logged into your project board, locate the task you want to repeat. This could be something like a weekly team meeting or a daily report check. When you open the task, look for the options to add recurrence. It's usually under a due date or reminder section. Next, choose how often you want the task to repeat. The options might include daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom intervals. If you need it to recur every Monday, for example, select the weekly option and choose the specific day of the week. Some software will also let you set the time for the task, which is great for consistency. Now, the next key step is deciding how long the task should repeat. Most project management software gives you the option to choose whether it repeats indefinitely or for a set number of occurrences. If you're setting up a task for an ongoing project, selecting no end date might make sense. Otherwise, if the task should only repeat for a specific period, set your start and end dates accordingly. Once your recurrence is set, make sure to save it and then check if it appears on your board as expected. You should now see the task appear multiple times according to your selected schedule. From here, you can customize each occurrence, assign it to different team members, or set specific notifications to keep everyone on track. Before I wrap this up, remember that the free trial link to the software I've shown you is in the description below. I highly recommend taking advantage of it, especially if you're new to project boards or want to upgrade your current tool. So, here's your key takeaway. Setting up recurring tasks in project boards can dramatically streamline your workflow. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on higher priority work and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Just remember to pick the right intervals for your needs, whether it's daily, weekly, or customized, and make sure to save the task once it's set up. To quickly recap, choose the task, set the recurrence options, adjust the start, end dates, and save. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description if you want to follow along with the software. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.